It's brutal. There's a never-ending onslaught against your car's paint. By bird droppings, salt, bugs, road hazards, extreme temperatures, and your once beautiful ride is toast. Protect your investment with Flitz Ceramic Sealant, the high-tech, nano-ceramic hydrophobic coating that's guaranteed to be the best protective finish you've ever used. Just spray on and wipe off. It's that easy. Better than wax, the high-tech coating actually repels mud and debris. Water beads up and rolls right off. Even this egg is no match for Flitz Ceramic Sealant. Stubborn brake dust doesn't stand a chance. It's gone. Flitz Ceramic Sealant is an American-made high-tech miracle that will change the way you protect your car forever. Our secret is an exclusive nano-ceramic formula that bonds to the microscopic imperfections in your paint to create a rock-hard protective barrier. Flitz Ceramic Sealant even stands up to an open flame. Stones and other road debris roll right off. Flitz Ceramic Sealant protects glass, trim, mirrors, and more. It looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor.